लेक्चर नंबर 3 लेके हम अपने सीरीज़ का बाकायदा आगाज़ कर रहे हैं, जिसमें आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि पेडागोजी के रिलेटेड एक इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ है जो कि फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विसेज कमीशन ने दिया है। हर टेस्ट जो कि टीचिंग के रिलेटेड होता है, इसमें ये पार्ट शामिल किया गया है और इससे मिनिमम 5 to 6 या 8 एमसीक्यूज़ तो आते ही है। ठीक है, तो हम आज देखेंगे कि जो ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनोमी है, इसने जो थ्योरी दिया था वो क्या था। उसके बारे में हम आपको मिनिमम आज 50 एमसीक्यूज़ आपसे शेयर करेंगे और ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे आपके लिए। तो एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम थोड़ा इसका देखते हैं कि इसके टोटल हम आपको बताएंगे इसके लेवल्स कितने हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल इसमें जो है 3 लेवल्स है। फर्स्ट हमारे पास जो लेवल है 3 लेवल्स है टोटल। ठीक है, और इसमें जो है फर्स्ट जो है वो है कोग्निटिव। ठीक है, दूसरा हमारे पास है वो है एफेक्टिव और तीसरा हमारे पास है वो है साइकोमोटर डोमेन। ठीक है, और इसमें हम देखेंगे कि हर जो लेवल है उसके अंडर फिर सब ग्रुप्स इसमें है। जैसे कि हम सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि कॉग्निटिव डोमेन में कितने लेवल्स है। कॉग्निटिव डोमेन में जो है टोटल 6 लेवल है और ये 1956 को ये जो है ब्लूम्स ने ही क्या किया था, इसको जो है उसने अपना थ्योरी दिया था। और इसमें जो है सब जो ग्रुप्स है वो 6 है। फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट जो है हमारे पास नॉलेज है, सेकंड में कंप्रिहेंशन है, तीसरे पे जो है एप्लीकेशन है, फोर्थ में मेरे ख्याल से जो है एनालिसिस है, और फिफ्थ में इवेल्युएशन, और सिक्स में जो है सिंथेसिस है। लेकिन ये रिवाइज किया था 2001 में, उस हिसाब से ये है। लेकिन अगर देखा जाए तो पहले जो क्या था, जो इवेल्युएशन और सिंथेसिस था वो क्या था, वो जो इवेल्युएशन था वो लास्ट में था और फिफ्थ में जो है सिंथेसिस था। ठीक है, 2001 में इसको रिवाइज करके थोड़ा बहुत चेंज किया गया है। तो इसको भी हम आगे जाके फर्दर हम इसको डिटेल से देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह। तो आज इसी को ही लेके हमने 50 इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज बनाए हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनॉमी इज़ अ फ्रेमवर्क दैट कैटेगराइज व्हाट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लर्निंग। आंसर है इसका लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है, एट विच लेवल ऑफ ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनॉमी डज अ स्टूडेंट demonstrate the ability to recall or recognize information? Answer remembering. And next question है, which of Bloom's taxonomy required students to break down complex concept into simple part? Answer analyzing. Next question है, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves student making judgment based on criteria and standard? Answer evaluating. Next, at which level of Bloom taxonomy does a student learn knowledge to solve a problem? Answer applying. Our next question है, which level of Bloom taxonomy required student to demonstrate their understanding of concept? Answer understanding. Next है, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves student generating new ideas or problem? Answer creating. Next, at which level of Bloom taxonomy does a student compare and contrast different concepts? Answer analysis या analyzing. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves students providing evidence to support their ideas or argument? Answer evaluating. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है, एट विच लेवल ऑफ ब्लूम टेक्सोनॉमी डज ए स्टूडेंट डेवलप अ लॉजिकल आर्गूमेंट? आंसर क्रिएटिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच लेवल ऑफ ब्लूम टेक्सोनॉमी रिक्वायर्ड स्टूडेंट्स टू रिकॉल फैक्ट्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन? Answer, remembering. Next question है, which level of Bloom's taxonomy involve student organizing information into meaningful pattern? Answer, analyzing. Next question, at which level of Bloom's taxonomy does a student explain the main idea or concept? And answer, understanding. Next question, which level of Bloom taxonomy required student to justify a decision or course of action? Answer, evaluating. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy focused on the ability to analyze and break down information into smaller parts? Answer, analyzing. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy involved using knowledge in a new situation? Answer, applying. Next question, when a student explains the main idea of a passage in their own words, they have operating at which level of Bloom taxonomy? Answer, understanding. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy focus on the ability to judge the value of ideas, theories, or materials? Answer, evaluating. Next question, when students summarize story using their own words, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, understanding. Next question, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves the ability to generate new ideas, product, or ways of thinking? Answer, creating. Next question है, when students break down a complex issue into its component parts, they are operating at which level of Bloom taxonomy? Answer, analyzing. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy focus on recalling or recognizing fact, concept, or ideas? Answer, remembering. Next question, when students draw a diagram to explain a process, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, applying. Next question, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves the ability to break down information into its constituent part and examine their relationship? Answer, analyzing. Next question, when students develop a plans to solve complex problem, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, creating. And next question, which level of Bloom taxonomy focus on the ability to combine different ideas or pieces of information to create something new? Answer, creating. Next question, when students classify objects or ideas based on their characteristic, they are operating at which level of Bloom taxonomy? Answer, analyzing. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves making judgment or decision based on criteria and standard? Answer, evaluating. Next question, when students compare and contrast two different theories, they are operating at which level of Bloom taxonomy? Answer, evaluating. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy focus on the ability to explain ideas or concepts in a clear and organized manner? Answer, understanding. Next question, which students solve mathematical question using previously learned formulas? They are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, applying. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves the ability to defend a position or a course of action based on specific criteria? Answer, evaluating. Next question, when students write a research paper based on information gathered from multiple sources, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, creating. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy focus on the ability to explain the meaning or significance of concept or ideas? Answer, understanding. Next question, when students solve a complex problem by applying principles or theories they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, applying. Next question, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves the ability or organize information or ideas into logical structure? Answer, creating. Next question, when students conduct an experiment to test a hypothesis, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, applying. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy focus on the ability to make prediction on a drug conclusion based on available information? Answer, evaluating. Next question, when students design a poster to communicate information effectively, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, creating. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy involves the ability to break down complex problem into simpler components? Answer, analyzing. Next question, when students explain the cause and effect relationship between events, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, understanding. Next question, when students create a multimedia presentation to demonstrate their understanding of a topic, they are operating at which level of Bloom taxonomy? Answer, creating. Next question, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves the ability to summarize or operating or paraphrase information in one's own words? Answer, understanding. Next question, when students evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of a scientific theories, they are operating at which level of Bloom taxonomy? Answer, evaluating. Next question, which level of Bloom's taxonomy focus on the ability to identify pattern or relationship between different elements? Answer, analyzing. When students collaborate with their peers to solve problem, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, creating. Next question, which level of Bloom taxonomy involves the ability to revise or modify existing ideas or concepts? Answer, creating. Next question, which student critique a work of art based on specific criteria, they are operating at which level of Bloom's taxonomy? Answer, evaluating. तो आज के हमारे 50 MCQs यहाँ पे अख्ताम होते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह इससे आगे दूसरा कोई टॉपिक या इसके साइकोमोटर और अफेक्टिव जो डोमेन है, जो लेवल है, उसको लेके हम आगे चलेंगे और इंशाल्लाह इसके रिलेटेड भी बहुत सारे MCQs आपसे शेयर करेंगे। तब तक हमारे साथ जुड़िए रहिएगा। अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो काइंडली आप इसको सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।